to scoot your butt right here.
4th of July.
Alright.
Happy 4th of July.
There we go.
It's going to be a fun day.
We're having a picnic too.
Yay, picnic! Hello, we're gonna make Jello shots.
4th of July.
4th of July Jello shot. First, you need a measuring cup. This is the best we have. It was a martini cup, but it had ounces.
I have a measuring cup outside.
Oh, sweet. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to 4 ounces of cold water. Four ounces of vodka.
Oh man.
Transfer it here.
It's a baby eyeliner. This is a baby toy. Give me my eyeliner.
8 ounces of boiling water. Which, by the way, we're going to have to buy one of these because this thing is amazing.
No, you're not getting my eyeliner.
Jello.
I wish the LCD thing stayed on this thing.
Tap it.
Oh.
Just take a battery.
You're on 1 bar battery.
Oh, really? Already? You pour your Jello.
What flavor?
This is tropical punch. Add your boiling water, 8 ounces. Stir until it dissolves. Oh my god, that smells really good. Now, son.
Hi everybody, it's 4th of July and we're at this firework place.
Or at the firework place. We had a feast. We brought
That was
pizza
pizza
and cookies and whales.
and all junk.
And Brandon's favorite food. Brandon's favorite food is pizza. The fireworks will be coming from right over there. Cool stuff. What? Good job. You busted your butt. Come here, baby. So these cops are gonna make all these people that just sat over there move. We were just over there, and they're making them all move. And it's hilarious. Hey, it's blinding me. Hey, stop. Get down. GoPro and the cops pushing the people out. I was waiting on that. I was waiting. Yeah, buddy. You don't have like 50 million people over here for nothing. Oh, there was one. I saw that. Boom.